Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to today's yoga flow to support emotional healing. If you're feeling overwhelmed, sad, or disconnected, this practice will help you reconnect with your body and heart, creating a space for calm and compassion. Move mindfully and listen to your body. Let's begin. We will begin with some deep breathing. I want you to begin noticing your breath. It starts by inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 6 counts. Let's do it together. Inhale and exhale. Continue now at your own pace. Very good. We are about to move into some neck stretches, which is designed to warm up the body, loosen up a little bit. We will begin by stretching the neck on either side. So start with your right or your left, whichever works best for you, and gently begin to roll your head around, getting out all the creaks in your neck from a long night's sleep or from work or whatever's troubling you, and just begin to rotate your head around clockwise. If you feel any grinding or anything, please stop or adjust how you're moving your head from side to side. If you feel like yawning, please feel free. This should be very relaxing. Now come on to all fours and let's move into some cat-cow. This will get your spine nice and loosened up. Begin by looking up to the sky and then switching to looking down to the ground and arching through your spine. Repeat this at your own pace by looking up, breathing in, and then rounding through the spine and exhaling as you breathe out. One more time. Inhale, breathe in, look up, and then in your own time, look down, arch through the spine, and exhale. At this time, you may feel called to do some organic movements, moving through the body, just getting all the cracks and creaks out. If you feel compelled to do so, please do. Moving with the breath and just stretching the body out. Begin to sit back on your heels and reach forward into child's pose, melting your heart to the ground and your forehead to the mat, and just begin to breathe. Okay, now come up from child pose. From there, we are going to move into threading the needle. So starting with your left hand, you're going to reach up to the sky, fully extend, fully expand, open your chest to the sky, and then bring that same hand down and thread it through the other arm, laying the head down to the mat, ear to the mat, reaching that other arm forward, and just having a nice stretch along the back. Now it's time to repeat that same stretch on the other side. I'm just turning around so you can see. Lifting the right arm up towards the sky. Now thread that arm through the other arm and melt your ear to the mat and just feel a nice long stretch along the spine. That should feel really good. You should feel really loose. And to round that off, we're going to move into some seated side stretches. So come towards the front of your mat into a cross-legged position. Get seated, get nice and comfortable. Sit straight up, elongate through the head. And now reach your right arm overhead and try and lean as far as you can until you feel a stretch along your side body, and hold that for a few breaths. Coming back to center, we are going to repeat this on the other side, reaching up and overhead until we also feel a nice stretch along our side body on the other side. As you can see, I am really enjoying these stretches. They are making me feel very tired, very sleepy, and it's just the kind of thing I needed to really set the tone for the day. I want to feel relaxed today. Now lay onto your back. We are about to do some glute bridges, which is also very good for the back as well. Move your heels as close to your butt as you can get them, and then arch your back, bringing your booty off the ground and creating some space between your butt and the mat, and hold it for a few breaths, and then lower, and then raise. And now lower. Repeat after me. Raise up. Hold. And now lower. Just a couple more. Raise up. Hold. And lower. And raise your hips off the mat. Holding. Feeling it in your core. And lower. And done. See, that wasn't so hard. Now, let's move into our next stretch. Bring your right knee up and hold it close to your body, really hugging in your knee to your midsection. And now, drape that knee over to the opposite side. So bring your right knee to your left and really melt it into the ground, and extend that right arm straight behind you, keeping your shoulder as close to the mat as you can possibly get it. I'm just moving over so you guys can see everything a bit better, but really using that hand to try and push that knee down and try to get it close to the mat, and extending that arm back and really just stretching through the spine. Very good job, guys. We're going to rock up to sitting and turn around and do it on the other side. If you're completely comfortable in your current position, no need to turn around like I'm doing. It's just easier for me this way. Quick yawn because I'm really feeling relaxed. Hug your knee in close to your body and drape it over the other side while extending that arm back, looking over that shoulder if you would like. Just getting a really nice and yummy stretch going. Okay, guys, we're going to rock up to sitting, coming into a nice seated position. That concludes our class. Thank you so much for joining me for a nice yoga flow on emotional healing. Hopefully you feel better than you did when you arrived. If my stretches helped you in any way, please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.